The Tibetan Youth Congress has embarked on a bike rally starting from Bamla Pass in Arunachal Pradesh. The campaign aimed at raising awareness about Tibet's cultural genocide, environmental destruction, and seeking international support for Tibetan independence. It's set to cover over 15,000 kilometers through 20 states. The rally also expresses gratitude to India for its solidarity with Tibet.
So we started our campaign, and today is the 15th day of our campaign, and we reach here at the Shillong. We have three major objectives. First one is through this campaign, we want to draw the support from India and international community to give a pressure to the Chinese government for their ongoing culture genocide in Tibet. So we are very much concerned with the Chinese, the hardline policy, and especially the culture genocide policy which is introduced in Tibet. And second, with this campaign, we will be traveling to more than 20 Indian states. So we will be covering more than 15,000 kilometers. With this, we want to convey a message to the government and people of India. We want to extend our gratitude for the solidarity and support that we received for last more than 6 decades. Meanwhile, we also want to urge Indian parliamentarians to have a resolution in support of saying Tibet was an independent nation and it was illegally occupied by so-called People's Republic of China.
The village headman of Mountain